Everybody, it's me, Camila Rose, and I am back today so that we can do our June 2nd paycheck budget. So thank you for joining me. If you enjoy videos about budgeting and creating a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in just a minute. Alrighty, everybody, so this might be a really short video because I think I'm going to do the cash stuffing in the next video because we got quite a bit of monies to move around. So here are my notes, messy as usual. Let's go ahead and get started. So we had paycheck, we got paid on 06-11, it's 2021. Paycheck amount was 1688, and we had, as usual, our envelopes. Starting off with our envelopes, let me move the mic over. Envelopes at 300, and then we had charter, internet at 80. We took out travelers, as you saw in my last budget. We took out travelers, which is the renter's insurance, and moved that to the first budget. So now we're gonna put in Geico at 180. We have T-Mobile, which honestly, y'all, I think I might need to go buy a new phone because unless my phone's on speaker, I can't hear. I can't hear anything anymore. Maybe I can try to like clean out the ear thing or something. I don't know. So I don't know. That bill might change because I think I need a new phone. 130 for T-Mobile. Gym gets 11. I've been doing okay with the gym, not that great. This month was kind of stressful, so I ended up missing out a lot about that. So Netflix gets $16. Metro gets 40. Travel gets 25. And business gets 85. And savings, we're putting 167 in savings. This is an automatic transfer. House gets $420. And as you all might have seen in my last update, we met the goal for the house savings, and now we're just kind of continuing to stack funds there. Debt, so we're on the other side now. Debt gets $164. Cushion gets 10. And school loans gets 40. So school loans got moved over to this one in order to be able to make my expenses. So let me go and let me add this together to make sure I have everything right. I'm gonna pull out the calculator. All right, let's see. So we have 300 plus 80 plus, good. 180 plus 130 plus 11 plus $16 plus $40 plus $25 plus $85 plus $167 plus $420 plus 164 plus 10 plus 40, 1,668. Oh, I think it's supposed to be 68. I put the wrong amount on how much I get paid. So there we go. Yep, we made our total expenses 1,688. Nothing left over. So what we will do, as you all know, is we will finalize this. We will pay all this out. I have pulled out cash. I pull out cash for business. Well, okay, so travel gets transferred over into my expenses, my travel account. And then business gets $30 switched over to the business account, and then I pull out $55 for envelopes that I have set aside for that. Savings gets transferred over automatically into the savings account. House money gets transferred into the house account. I pull out in cash the debt money, and then I pull out some additional funds from my overtime check that I'm still, praise him, getting, and I will do some cash stuffing with all of that money in the next video. So that is it for the budget for this month. I was also able to go and I filled in my envelopes, but I haven't filled them in here. And I kind of just honestly don't feel like getting up to go get that paperwork to do that. But I do have some rollover funds, and I had taken out some money from my closed EE account, so emergency envelopes. And so I'm paying back a little bit of that, but slowly but surely my envelopes are coming back together. I do use electronic envelopes, so I transfer into an account and then spend out of that one account. And then I just keep up with the funds that I use so that I don't go over, and I still just use the amount that I give myself weekly. So that's done. I believe next week it makes more sense because I'll still actually be able to pull the money out and then use that to go towards my extra expenses. So it's all coming along. It's all working. Our next video is going to be the cash stuffing for this, and then we will get into the second account that I have, doing a budget for that one, and then I will do probably it'll be time to go ahead and close out my first budget, and that'll be it. We'll keep moving, keep grooving. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope your budget is working out well. Oh, also, as you can see, I make a note. So as I've been telling you all, I've kind of been on a little bit of a spending spree. So I made a note here, as you can see, to pay off American Express card with this paycheck so that I don't miss that. And I always make a note, like if I go a little bit over budget, you'll see here in this one, I ran out of, oh, I was like, why does that say that? I ran out of toner, so I had to go to Ulta, and I bought some toner, and that came out to $56.29. Yes, my toner is a bit expensive. I get Lancome, and I love it, and I won't use anything else, and I bought the full size, so I don't have to go back so often. So I just threw that up here into the actual budget so that when I close out, I won't forget it. So anytime I go over, like with this Ulta, I throw it into whatever budgets, the one I'm currently in. And then like for this one, I made a note for when I got paid to pay off my American Express card so that I don't forget anything, because I don't really budget for debt anymore other than for my car note. And so if I have anything that's extra for debt that needs to get paid, like I did buy a new computer because I honestly really needed one. And I did put that on a credit card, and I am going to take from my overtime checks and pay that. So hopefully the overtime checks will continue. And if they don't, I will split from the extra money that I'm putting towards the house to pay off that. So that will come in depending on what the next budgets look like. So hopefully everything will like smooth out and be real easy to get through. But that's it for the budget, and for this budget specifically. So I will see you all in the next video. Like I said, go ahead and like this video, subscribe. I will see you later. Y'all have a great one. Bye-bye.